Good morning, class. Let us see a story. The sound machine. We all know that there are many sounds when we are pinched, when somebody hit us by chance or we get hurt. We feel the pain in the body, in any part of the body from head to feet. Similarly, here is a scientist named Klausner who had a doctor friend here in this story. He used to visit him in the morning. This Klausner was very much interested to see whether plants feel pain or not, whether they give out any kind of cry or not. And for this, he experimented. He did the experiment upon a plant. He had a neighbor, Mrs. Saunders. Once, you know what he does? He had several wires and a box, coffin-like. He arranges everything in the park. And there, he tries to hear that if a small stem is cut or if a tree is hit by an axe, whether they feel some kind of cry or not. So he put the microphone, and just to check up what the trees basically do, what the plants basically do, because Jagdish Chandra Bose had said that plants also have life. So here, if you talk about this story, the sound machine, so he makes a machine which will show simply that how trees give out sounds. Some sounds all around we cannot see because of much high decibel. Some sounds are very low that cannot reach our ears. So they are very low, of low decibel. So this happens. Some medium kind of sounds are heard, some loud noises cannot be heard of our ears, through our ears, because they get up, and then like this, lot of other things. So, sound machine is made by Klausner just to see there are certain kinds of sounds that all around that we cannot see, and some sounds we can hear, our ears accept such sounds. With this story, one can get the idea that plants also give out cries, plants can also weep, plants also have tears. This is how this scientist Klausner proves here in this story. He just arranges and he asks his neighbor Mrs. Saunders to snip a small rose plant to see that whether the stem give out any cry or not while cutting. So when she cuts, he puts the earphone and he listens a very little, small, very little noise which was unheard, you can just say. Other person could not have heard, but Klausner, he was experimenting with that, so he had the idea that yes, some kind of sound it gave that the tree. Simply the other day or any other time, he takes the machine to the park and there he wanted to experiment it on a big tree. He asked his doctor friend that you just so he arranges what he hit the axe on the branch of the tree, the big huge trunk of the tree, and one whole branch fell after some time, which destroyed the whole sound machine. So his sound machine was just incomplete, but he heard that cry of the branch that the branch gave. Sound machine was made by Klausner just to see whether when a plant or when a stem is hit, when any branch of the tree is hit, whether they give out any kind of sound or not, whether they cry or not, their cry is to be heard. Then he saw after some time that the tree was little, some kind of watery, it became, just to see. So that is how he feels that he has given a great thing to the world, but actually it was within him only, and that when the huge branch fell on the sound machine, that whole machine was destroyed and nothing can be said. So this is how Klausner did the experiment, that yes, the plants have life, yes, the trees have also life, like human beings and animals and other creatures. So this is how the story moves the sound machine. Thank you.